In today's video, we are going to explore Dalai Lama inspirational quotes on love, kindness, and compassion. Help others, and if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. If you think you are too small to make a difference, try sleeping with a mosquito. It is necessary to help others not in our prayers but in our daily lives. It is under the greatest adversity that there exists the greatest potential for doing good, both for oneself and others. A truly compassionate attitude toward others does not change even if they behave negatively or hurt. Anger and hatred are signs of weakness, while compassion is a sure sign of strength. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. Compassion and tolerance are not a sign of weakness, but a sign of strength. Compassion is not religious business, it is human business. It is not luxury, it is essential for our own peace and mental stability. It is essential for human survival. Compassion is the radicalism of our time. Compassion naturally creates a positive atmosphere, and as a result you feel peaceful and content. Don't ever mistake my silence for ignorance, my calmness for acceptance, or my kindness for weakness. Even an animal, if you show genuine affection, gradually trust develops. If you always showing bad face and beating, how can you develop friendship? Every day, think as you wake up, today I am fortunate to be alive, I have a precious human life, I am not going to waste it. I am going to use all my energies to develop myself, to expand my heart out to others, to achieve enlightenment for the benefit of all beings. I am going to have kind thoughts towards others, I am not going to get angry or think badly about others. I am going to benefit others as much as I can. Give the ones you love wings to fly, roots to come back, and reasons to stay. If the child is not held, hugged, cuddled, or loved, its development will be impaired and its brain will not mature properly. If you don't love yourself, you cannot love others. You will not be able to love others. If you have no compassion for yourself, then you are not able of developing compassion for others. If you don't love yourself, you cannot love others. Love and compassion are necessities, not luxuries. Without them, humanity cannot survive. Love and compassion are the true religions to me. But to develop this, we do not need to believe in any religion. Love is the absence of judgment. My religion is very simple. My religion is kindness. Remember that the best relationship is one in which your love for each other exceeds your need for each other. Take into account that great love and great achievements involve great risk. The more you are motivated by love, the more fearless and free your action will be. The planet does not need more successful people. The planet desperately needs more peacemakers, healers, restorers, storytellers, and lovers of all kinds. The purpose of all the major religious traditions is not to construct big temples on the outside, but to create temples of goodness and compassion inside, in our hearts. The topic of compassion is not at all religious business. It is important to know it is human business. It is a question of human survival. The whole purpose of religion is to facilitate love and compassion, patience, tolerance, humility, and forgiveness. There are only 2 days in the year that nothing can be done. One is called yesterday and the other is called tomorrow. Today is the right day to love, believe, do, and mostly live. This is my simple religion. There is no need for temples, no need for complicated philosophy. Our own brain, our own heart is our temple, the philosophy is kindness. True friendship develops not as a result of money or power, but on the basis of genuine human affection. We can live without religion and meditation, but we cannot survive without human affection. When we are motivated by compassion and wisdom, the results of our actions benefit everyone, not just our individual selves or some immediate convenience. When we are able to recognize and forgive ignorant actions of the past, we gain strength to constructively solve the problems of the present. World peace must develop from inner peace. Peace is not just mere absence of violence. Peace is, I think, the manifestation of human compassion. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.